Namaste. Today I am going to say about history of a Hasta Nakshatra temple. It is primarily associated with the Sri Krupakupareshwarar temple in Komal in Tamil Nadu. The temple's story is rooted in a legend where goddess Parvati in the form of cow worshipped Lord Shiva here for his forgiveness. She had been searching for him as he had taken the form of Hastayama Jyoti. This temple is historically believed to have been established during the Chola period and functions as a spiritual remedy for natives of Hasta Nakshatra addressing their emotional and karmic challenges. According to the temple's divine legend, means Sthala Puranam, Goddess Parvati once playfully closed Lord Shiva's eyes with her hands. This caused the universe's activities to halt and darkness to prevail. Shocking Parvati, who then sought Shiva's forgiveness, Lord Shiva explained that since she had caused darkness by covering his eyes, he would disappear into a divine light called Hasta Varna Jyoti emanating from his hands. Ma Parvati was instructed to find this light on earth, which appeared on a Hasta Nakshatra day as the Komaliya Jyoti. She joined this light, means Jyoti, with the help of her brother Lord Vishnu. The blessings from Shiva means Kripa Pure Krupareshwarar. Therefore, earned him the name Kripa Kupareshwarar. Blessings for a peaceful and prosperous life. Some of the remedies are it is a Parihara Sthalam for those with the birth star related to Hasta Nakshatra. Devotees seeking a happy married life, child bones, or general well being often perform specific rituals such as performing puja with a cow and a calf, circumambulating the temple, walking round it left to right. This temple is also recommended for those suffering from depression with offerings on Monday and Wednesday being particularly powerful remedies. Another reference of the associates the Chidambaram temple with Hasta Nakshatra, where Lord Shiva performs the cosmic dance symbolizing skill and creation. This ancient temple is also known as Sri Annapurani Sameta Kripakrupareshwarar temple. It is a sacred abode of Lord Shiva in the form of Sri Krupakupareshwarar, the compassionate giver of grace and relief, accompanied by Goddess Annapurani, the Divine Mother who nourishes all beings. This temple radiates tranquility, clarity, and blessings for all devotees, especially those born under Hasta Nakshatra. As per ancient lore, during the time of the great sages, a celestial conflict arose where many beings were affected by delusion, ignorance, and suffering due to the cycle of karma. Rishis prayed for divine guidance to alleviate this suffering. It is said that Lord Shiva chose this sacred place, Gomal, as his abode of mercy and named himself Kripakupareshwarar, which literally means the Lord who showers boundless grace. Goddess Annapurani, the divine mother of nourishment, manifested here with a golden pot of food, symbolizing nourishment not just for the body but for the soul. Together, they restored balance, health, and clarity to devotees afflicted by spiritual and worldly confusion, especially the Hasta Nakshatra natives. who were said to be under planetary struggles. This temple is believed to be established during the Chola period and its energy is aligned with cosmic vibrations unique to the Hasta Nakshatra constellation. According to Astro Nivritti traditions and Siddha practices, devotees born under Hasta Nakshatra are advised to visit this temple during the birth star, Paurnami, or during major transition in life. The following offerings are believed to be the most effective. In this temple, the prasadams offering to Annapurani Devi and Krupa Kupareshwarar are laddus to invoke joy, celebration, and wish fulfillment. Vada for removing obstacles, both mental and material. Payasam to bring inner peace, harmony, and divine grace. Devotees also light ghee lamps in front of the Shivalingam and chant mantra. Repeated prayers at this temple are said to help break cycles of negative karma and ravel confusion and bring clarity and emotional healing. Those who worship at this powerful shrine experience relief from karmic blocks and mental confusion, improvements in emotional balance and clarity of purpose, protection from negative energies and planetary doshas, and enhanced confidence, intuition, and life direction, blessings of health, peace, and prosperity. During life transitions, career change, marriage, spiritual vows, you can visit this temple. For all spiritual seekers, especially those born under Hasta Nakshatra, Sri Krupakupareshwarar temple is not just a place of ritual, it is a sanctuary of divine compassion where Lord Shiva waits to bless his children with a clarity, healing, and freedom from all forms of bondage. Make the sacred journey to Gomal. Stand in front of Lord Krupakupareshwarar, offer your prayers with a sincerity. As many devotees have testified over centuries, the blessings you receive here transform your life from confusion to clarity, from struggle to serenity, resulting in cosmic darkness and the emergency of a divine light that was rediscovered on a Hasta Nakshatra day. This event symbolizes cosmic balance and a divine grace bestowed by Lord Shiva named Krupakupareshwarar, with the temple serving as a spiritual center for devotees born under the Hasta Nakshatra.